दुनिया का एकमात्र ऐसा स्टेट जिसे प्रीडोमिनेंटली बैप्टिस्ट स्टेट माना जाता है। जी हाँ, ये स्टेट है नागालैंड। और नागालैंड में क्रिश्चियनिटी की शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई, कैसे हुई, आज मैं उसकी कहानी आपको बताऊंगा, उसकी कहानी सुनाऊंगा।
So Dr. Clark is the first missionary to Nagaland. First came to Molongkimong village and established the first church in Nagaland. It was in 1872, December 22nd.
आज मैं जा रहा हूँ नागालैंड में, एक जगह है मोलुंग, MOLUNG, मोलुंग। तो नागालैंड में सबसे पहले क्रिश्चियनिटी जहाँ पे आई थी, ये वो जगह है मोलुंग। तो उसी को देखने मैं जा रहा हूँ फ़िलहाल। और मुकोकचुंग से मोलुंग की दूरी है करीब 84-85 किलोमीटर। लेकिन जब आप गूगल मैप में सर्च करेंगे तो आपको दिखाएगा 3.5 घंटा। 3.5 घंटा क्यों? 3.5 घंटा इसकी वजह से सड़कों की हालत बहुत ख़राब है। एक तो पहाड़, ऊपर से ख़राब सड़कें। तो फ़िलहाल मैं थोड़ी दूर आ गया हूँ, 20 किलोमीटर भी नहीं आया होगा मेरे ख्याल से, 10-15 किलोमीटर। और ऑलरेडी 45 मिनट हो चुका है। देखते हैं कितना टाइम लगता है पहुँचने में। और तुली शहर से आपको लिफ्ट लेना है मोलुंग जाने के लिए। बेसिकली आपको एक जंक्शन दिखेगा, तो आप किसी से पूछेंगे तो आपको पता बता दिया जाएगा। लेकिन यहाँ से 20 किलोमीटर के आसपास है। एक आदमी ने बताया और बोला कि रास्ता बहुत ख़राब है, और वाकई में बहुत ख़राब है रास्ता। पूरा जो ये पूरी सड़क जो है ना, पत्थर वाली सड़क है और हालत ख़राब हो जाती है इस पे चलाने में। तो यहाँ से 2 घंटा बोला उसने कि लगेगा, 1.5-2 घंटा, पता नहीं कितना लगेगा। भाई साहब, ये तो एक्सट्रीम है यार। ये तो इधर रुको 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 रुको, बैठे रहो बैठे रहो। पहिए में पूरी मिट्टी चिपक गई है, इसको हटाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इसकी वजह से ग्रिप नहीं मिल रहा सही से और बाइक फिसल रही है। पत्थर रहे ठीक है, कीचड़ ना है बस। कीचड़ में वाट लग जा रही है। हेलो
मोलुंग की दूसरा गांव में मोलुंग
बस घूमने देखने। सड़क बहुत खराब है ना।
तो पानी पी के जाओ ना।
पानी है, अभी जस्ट पिया था रुक के ना, नहीं तो फिर अभी जाना मुकोकचुंग। बिस्कुट दे दो ऐसे हाथ में, उतरूंगा फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगी।
ना क्या है, हम लोग भी
बहुत लेट हो गया ना।
हम लोग भी मोलुंग में जा रहा है।
अच्छा एक मिनट साइड में लगा दूं, ये ठीक है। थैंक यू। प्रकाश, योर नेम?
Imli.
Imli.
Yeah.
Yours?
Wadi.
Wadi. Molungkimo is the original place, na? Where the first missionary
The
came.
first missionary came to Molongkimong.
Molungkimo.
But the Molongkimong people don't
Except that.
approve that
Ah,
religion.
okay.
That's why a group of villagers decide to form
New village.
a new village.
Yeah.
Additional village.
The new village was Molongimson. That's it.
So Kimsung is first.
Imson is a new village.
Ah,
Molongkimong is the old village.
Molongimson is
Kimsan and Kim.
migrated from
Imson.
Molongkimong.
Imsan. Imsan.
We were
It's a new
we
village.
were from
Yeah, new village.
Molongkimong
The
before-
convert,
before
the Christianity converted.
Christian
Who
came.
convert to Christian?
The people were not
They
able to
came
accept.
here
If you
Molongkimong.
Yeah.
so the Baptist
Yeah,
people
we-
along with them so far
Okay.
were
And
interested in that
Molungkimo,
religion.
there is no Christian.
Became, no, they are all Christian now. Now they are all Christian.
They are all
Yeah,
Christian.
Christian.
But first they protested against the
Ah,
religion.
yeah.
Ah.
That's-
That's why only new village was formed.
Ah.
The Christian people came down to new village.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you.
थैंक यू. नाइस टू मीट यू.
Thank you so much.
दुनिया का एकमात्र ऐसा स्टेट जिसे प्रीडोमिनेंटली बैप्टिस्ट स्टेट माना जाता है. जी हाँ, ये स्टेट है नागालैंड. और नागालैंड में क्रिश्चियनिटी की शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई, कैसे हुई, आज मैं उसकी कहानी आपको बताऊंगा, उसकी कहानी सुनाऊंगा. लेकिन सबसे पहले देखिए वो जगह जहाँ से नागालैंड में क्रिश्चियनिटी की शुरुआत हुई. और ये है वो जगह मोलोंग कीमोंग. तो ये गांव जो है ये मुकोकचुंग ज़िले में है और मुकोकचुंग से करीब 85 किलोमीटर के आसपास है. मुकोकचुंग शहर से यहाँ तक आने में आपको 4 घंटे लगेंगे क्योंकि सड़क बहुत ख़राब है. उसके बारे में भी मैं दिखाऊंगा आपको वीडियो में. लेकिन अभी मैं इस जगह पे आया हूँ और यहाँ पे क्रिश्चियनिटी को लेके जो तमाम किस्से हैं, जो तमाम बातें हैं, जो फैक्ट्स हैं, वो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा आज के एपिसोड में. वो देखेंगे आप. तो चलिए चलते हैं इस गांव में और देखते हैं.
So this building, it is Dr. E.W. Clark Monument. So Dr. E.W. Clark is a missionary from America, sent by the American Baptist Mission to Nagaland. And this village is called Molongimong village.
Okay.
So the Baptist Christian first came to this village and established the church, first church in Nagaland in this Molongimong village. So as a monument, we constructed this in 1997. Yeah.
In the remembrance of E.W.
Yeah.
Clark. Okay.
So Dr. Clark is the first missionary to Nagaland. First came to Molongimong village and established the first church in Nagaland. It was in 1872, December 22nd.
Yeah.
So we can get inside here. We have some souvenirs also. This is the gun, muzzle loading.
Of Mr. Clark.
Yeah, given by Dr. Clark to this village.
Oh, Dr. E.W. Clark donated this gun in October 1876 to protect the village from enemies.
Dr. Clark and Mirror.
She has also written some book.
Yeah, a corner in India.
Economy in India. Na? Okay.
This Sugumran, the first Nagatu there, and the brother.
Okay.
This Sugumran belongs to this Molongimong village. He met Kotula, the first evangelist to the head hunting Nagas. He's Assamese. So he made friend with him and then together they met Dr. Clark. So he is the pathfinder of the gospel to Molongimong village. Sugumran. And this chair also created by the Samsara of this church.
So I don't know, I mean, it's true or not, but someone told me that when Clark first came to this village, so villagers were not happy. And
I
first,
think you know everything. You are hiding something from me, okay?
no, actually I have read these things, so I'm just confirming. Because see, I don't know the exact information, so I cannot pass the wrong information.
Yes.
That's why I'm just confirming. And they first settlers go down and they made another village,
Oh, it is like this.
Imsen.
It was in 1872, November 10.
Okay.
9 members from this village, they went down to Sibsagar
Okay.
for baptism.
Baptism. Okay.
Yeah. So it was in 1872, 10th November, after taking baptism, they came back. And they construct the first chapel here at this side.
Okay.
And we're making that monument, this one.
This
So-
one is going to be monument.
Yeah, this one is
Okay.
monument. First chapel monument.
Okay.
So after returning back from there, they construct this chapel, a small church.
Okay.
And then as they were worshipping and taking the service there, again another 15 member converted.
Yeah, it's written there. no?
Yeah. 15 member converted to take baptism. So for that, Dr. Clark came from Sibsagar to this village.
Okay.
So he started his journey on 16th of December 1872
Okay.
from Sibsagar. and reached this Molongkimong village on 18 December 1872.
Okay.
16, 17, 18.
Okay.
So after reaching this village, 15 members were ready to take baptism. So down there, we have a baptism pool there.
Okay.
So on 22nd December, 15 members took baptism. And the first church was established, so we have given the name like that.
Yeah, this is the first church.
Yeah. So for 4 years they have stayed together here.
Okay.
But by political crisis,
Okay.
there was misunderstanding between the seniors and the junior. So by that misunderstanding, they formed another two group.
Okay.
It is not believers and non-believers. It was by political.
Okay.
So in one group also, the other group also, there's Christian, and in this group also Christian.
Okay.
Christians are also divided.
Okay. Yeah.
So they became two groups, and then the other group, they have decided that we'll establish new village and we'll go there and live there. So it was in October 26,
Okay.
1876,
1876.
Molongkimong village was established. So it was not by the Christianity, political crisis.
Political.
So from here, 6 family, Christian 6 family, and non-Christian 9 family, they went there to establish the new village.
Okay.
The remaining Christian was here.
It's not a fact that the villagers from here, they were not, happy to accept the Christianity, all the things. Actually, they accepted, but later, because of the political reasons, two groups were formed, and later they shifted to, one group shifted to that village.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Let's visit two spots again.
Yeah.
Can we go inside the church?
Okay, you can go, but returning from there, huh?
Okay.
You visited Molongkimong?
No.
No, not
We just came by.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is my bike.
Oh. What bike is this?
Himalayan. Would you like to try?
After coming?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I have seen this kind of bike in Salonijan once.
Okay.
While going to Dimapur, one person came.
See how beautiful this place is.
We call this gate Dr. Clark Gate.
Okay.
It's right in here. Before coming Christianity also, this was the village gate.
Okay. Like every other villages, they have gates every side, no?
Yes. So when Dr. Clark reached this place on 18th of December 1872, all the villagers gathered here.
Okay.
And then to receive him, villagers was there. So Dr. Clark, while coming from Sibsagar, 60 warrior of Molongkimong village, 60 warrior of Molongkimong village, they escorted Dr. Clark. And then those days there was no any other
Source of information?
Yeah, sources of information. So only the smoke signal. So you can see down there, one white pillar is there, no?
That one.
Yeah. From there, 60 warrior make a fire and then send the smoke, letting the people know that Dr. Clark is coming. So on 18 December, around 12 noon, Dr. Clark reached this village. So we construct this gate in his name.
And when it was constructed, this memorial gate?
It was in 2011.
2011.
So our villagers, all the villagers were inside the gate. And when Dr. Clark climbed up this step, he knelt down and prayed here in this spot. Dr. Clark knelt down and prayed. And this was his prayer. So our villagers during those times, they don't know what prayer is. Dr. Clark was knelt down and he was praying. Our villagers thought that he was so tired and therefore he is going to sleep.
Okay.
But then he was saying this prayer to the Almighty God for the Nagas. So we call it, this is a Dr. Clark prayer spot. Dr. Clark step, and then cat.
And what is the population of this village?
It's not that much. Around 1,000.
Just 1,000?
Yeah.
It's very
Most
less.
of them they went to Kohima, Dimapur, and Mokchung.
So they have
Yeah.
already settled there or just for the living?
Settled there.
Settled there?
Yes, yes.
Left their home?
Yeah,
They are not here anymore?
yeah. This is the first baptism pool in Nagaland. See, Dr. Clark reached this village in 18 December, and then he asked the village council to extend this pool. It was the village drinking pool.
It was there?
Yeah, it was there from before. So Dr. Clark asked the village council to extend this drinking pool for baptism.
Languages must be fairly similar.
Yeah. If I cannot, even if I cannot speak, also I can understand a bit, Muslim. But then the common official language for Ao is Chungli.
चुंगली।
Yeah.
तो आओ जो कम्युनिटी है उन लोगों की जो कॉमन लैंग्वेज है वो चुंगली है और उसका स्पेलिंग है JUNGLI। इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं चुंगली।
Of the 60 warrior, scholar Dr. Clark from Sipsakar.
A monolith of the light of the Nagas.
Remember the names.
Oh yeah, one. Yeah. So through this road, Dr. Clark came to Molongkimung village. Scholar by 60 warrior.
ओके ये जो रास्ता आप देख रहे हो ना, ये पगडंडी जो नीचे जा रही है, तो डॉक्टर क्लार्क इसी रास्ते से आए थे और ये जो वॉरियर्स थे 60 इनके नाम से यहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं। तो ये 60 लोग उनको लेने गए थे शिवसागर में और शिवसागर से लेके यहाँ पे आए थे। तो ये है वो रास्ता और उसकी याद में ये यहाँ पे एक मोनोलिथ बनवाया गया है। Thank you very much and thanks for your time. Okay, sister. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Come to Kerala.
Yeah, and you have my number, na? So whenever you come to Delhi, just call me up, okay?
Arong Kerala.
Around Kerala. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye. तो यहाँ से चलता हूँ मैं अब, और आज का दिन काफ़ी अच्छा रहा। पेस्टर ने इतना टाइम दिया, मतलब नागालैंड में हर जगह इतने अच्छे लोग हैं। आप बस जाइए, पूछिए, हर कोई आपको अपना टाइम देगा। हाँ 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 हाँ, कम ऑन, जस्ट ट्राई ट्राई, इट्स वेरी इजी।
Say I cannot reach.
But you don't need to reach your legs, na. You just have to accelerate and just go.
So you switch up here.
Yeah, this one is gear.
So
1 down, 4 up.
oh, number 1 is down.
Yeah, and then up.
2, 3, 4 is up.
Yeah,
So now it's in neutral.
not in neutral. 1.
1.
Yeah, you have to just press the self start and go. Just try.
It's too heavy. Yeah.
Your pajama. Just try. It's okay. This way. Yeah. Maybe you go. You come that side. You can try from that side, na. It's down this side, na. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. भाई पेस्टर मेरी बाइक ट्राई कर रहे हैं। Yeah. Atul is like bhago. See him. What he is doing? Bhago. See you. Bye, sister. Bye. Yeah. Yeah. Next time I will stay here in this village.
Sure.
Yeah. sister. Bye, sister.
Bye.
See you. Bye.